So now I want you to take your artificial flowers, and I've chosen some pink kind of cherry blossoms. You want to cut kind of in on the flower. You don't want a long stem on it. And I want to do one big one in the middle and two smaller ones. That's a small one. There's a small one on the sides. And I want to also have two leaves, one on each side. So I've cut those off. And I'm going to just apply the hot glue to the stem and to the base of the flower. And just poke that right down and hold it for a minute. There we go. And I'm going to put a pink little flower on each side. Again, get the stem. And I'm going to place that right next to it. I'm going to do the other small flower on the other side. 3 is always better than, an odd number of flowers for these arrangements are better than even. So if you're going to do 5, like all the way around. Now I want to add the green leaves. So I'm going to go all along the back. I don't have to glue the entire leaf, but I'm just gluing the stem part of it. We're going to slip that underneath the flower and hold that down. And see how I'm wrapping it around? Do the same thing with the other one on the other side. And it's okay if these leaves overlap. Okay, you see how that leaf is sticking up? I want you to put a little bit more glue on the end. And you can also do this with your craft glue. There. Doesn't that look lovely?